had been an athlete all my life, and gymnastics was all I knew. I absolutely loved it. There was this moment, it was the week of graduation, and I just broke down. I was scared, I was nervous, I was anxious, and they all hit me at once. I feel a lot of athletes struggle with post-grad depression. You committed all these years to perfecting your craft, and now it's like I have to start at square one. My dream to go to UCLA started when I was 12 because I was told I wasn't probably ever going to compete for their team. Started competing, but I still didn't feel worthy. I told myself to keep faith in myself. Like, no, Janae, you have come so far, so just continue to have the determination and the grit and that you've used for all these years to get to where you are.
And they understand the significance of this moment for Janae Honest.
I think it was junior year, I realized like I'm here, I'm meant to be on this team because I achieved this. And when I finally did, it was like, okay, what's the next step for me? When you graduate and you finish your sport, you're like, what's my place in the world? And I'm still kind of going through that. My second passion has always been dance. It was challenging for me to step out of my comfort zone and take classes with people that are professional. Practice makes perfect, but also to me, practice makes you confident. And I remember thinking, Janae, if this is something you want to do, just dance. My way to let my personality out and really just explore movements and push myself. Because when you see a confident performer, you can tell they're comfortable in their own skin, and it's just truly amazing to witness. I feel that comfort really ties into confidence because when you're comfortable in your own skin, it really exudes confidence. My go-to workout attire is leggings with the crop top. Honestly, what I'm wearing right now is what I would wear to the gym. When I'm wearing something more comfortable, I know I'm gonna get a good workout in. I feel like I can never not be active. Yoga, spinning, I like to mix it up. When I'm not moving around, it just doesn't feel like me. Being an athlete is not a label, it's a lifestyle. Once an athlete, always an athlete.